Greetings, friends. As always, it's an honor to welcome you back to Rick's Garage. I have a brief video for you today. I'm going to be changing the low beam on this 2010 Hyundai Santa Fe. As you can see, it's not working, it's out. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get to it. Friends, this is the bulb we're going to install. It was purchased at AutoZone. Okay, friends, I hope I got enough light and a good camera angle. It's a little difficult to get a camera in there. But the first thing you got to do is remove this cover. You turn it about a quarter of a turn counterclockwise. And then you can see this little blue dot right here. I'm probably going to block your vision. But you want to turn it about 1/3 of a turn counterclockwise, if I can get in there with my fingers. And the bulb pops out just as easy as that. So now we're going to install the new bulb in about the same position it was in and turn it so clockwise till it's back straight up and down again. And that's all there is to it. So to put the cover back in, just put it in there and find where it seats in properly and just turn it clockwise until it stops turning. And you're done. Let's see if the light works. Okay, we're back in front of the car. You can see the light is now working, so it looks like our repair was a success. I'm going to turn on the high beams and make sure both of those are working. So as you can see, all 4 lights are working now, high beams and low beams. I want to thank you once again for watching Rick's Garage. Before I go, I'll post 2 videos to your left, I hope of which you find of interest. And to your right, as always, will be a picture of my avatar in the form of my trusty German Shepherd. By all means, feel free to click on that should you wish to subscribe to my channel. So thanks again, and we hope to see you all very, very soon.